So we've already seen the Mira and we've already seen the Lana. So now we're going to check out the Erin, which is delivered in complete finish. So makikita nyo po here kung ano po ang actual deliverables po natin sa mga unit po natin here at the High Grove. So the Erin has a floor space of 114 square meter. Then tulad ng ibang units natin, ang minimum lot cut natin dito is 156 square meter. So meron pa rin po tayong minimum of 2-car garage here. Yan. I forgot to mention, meron din po tayong outlet here. Kung meron kayong mga e-vehicles or e-bike, so you can charge it here. Then merong faucet here, so you can wash your car. Yan. So we're here at the Lanai area, I would say. So meron po tayong sliding door here, which leads to the kitchen area. So, ang pwede po ninyong gawin dito siguro is you can do your outdoor cooking here. Let's say nag-iihaw po kayo. You can do it here since malapit lang naman po yung kitchen area po natin. Yan po. Pasok tayo. Then from the carport, nandito po yung auxiliary natin na kitchen area or dirty kitchen as they would say. So you can do your dirty kitchen preparations, maglilinis po kayo ng mga isda or something, or you can convert this into a washing area, no? So we have a room here then. So extra room po yan. You can either use this as a storage area or you can designate this as a room for your kasambahays, your maid, or your driver. So, kagandahan po here, meron na rin po tayong sariling toilet and bath. So, hindi niya na po kailangan gamitin yung mga utilities natin sa loob. So, meron po siyang privacy kasi po, the access of this extra room is from the outside. So, ikot po tayo. Again, minimum setback po natin is 2 to 3 meters po. Nalalawak po yan. And that will really depend pa on the type of unit since we have smaller units pa, which is the 3 new models, that is Ava, Lauren, and Daphne. So, kung mas maliit yung unit, syempre, mas malaki po yung garden space, I suppose. So, this is another lanai area. You can use this as an extension of your living area. Pwede kayong maglagay ng outdoor seating here para tuwing morning. Pwede kayong mag-imbita ng mga kapitbahay nyo here for a cup of coffee. So that is the perimeter. Let's go inside the actual unit. So same as Mira and Lana, ang access po natin is electronic. So this is actual deliverables na po. So what you see here is what you will receive sa unit po na inyong i-reserve. So delivery po natin, complete finish, tiled na po yung flooring, painted na po ang walls and ceiling. Complete na rin po ang ating kitchen fixtures. Meron na po siyang cabinetries here. Granite countertop, then steel basin and sink. Dito sa Erin, since medyo mas maliit pong unit ito versus our 2 previous units that we check, ang bedrooms lamang po nito is 3. All of which is nasa 2nd floor. So wala po siyang bedroom here sa baba, although meron po powder room here. Yan. Para sa mga guests natin. Yan. Then, to utilize the space na ino-occupy ng stairs, meron din po tayong storage area here. Yan. Masok. Yan. So, that is the ground floor. Check po natin sa taas. So again, this is the actual deliverables po. So what you see here is what you will receive. So hardwood po yung ating steps. Pati yung handrails po natin is hardwood po yan. And all of our doors are hardwood. Wala po tayong ginagamit na PVC sa doors po natin. So papansin niyo po, napakalaki po ng ating mga windows. So that helps with the natural lighting and ventilation of the unit. So again, 3 bedrooms po tayo. So nandito po yung common toilet and bath that can be shared by room 2 and room 3. Complete na po ang ating bathroom fixtures. Meron na po siyang sink, meron na po siyang toilet bowl here, then rain shower, kompleto na rin po siya. Yan po. So this is room 1. So kita niyo po, napakalawak po niya. Ang daming outlet. So hindi kayo mahihirapan with our electronics kung saan niyo isasaksak. Flooring po natin here is vinyl tiles. Then again, malalaki ang windows po natin para kitang-kita po ninyo yung nature po na nakapalibot po sa ating area. Papansin po ninyo, napakadami po mga trees. And marami pa pong magiging trees here kasi nga sa mga lote po natin, nagtatanim ang developer ng at least 2 trees po. So magiging mapuno po yung area po natin. So this is room 2. So same po ng delivery, vinyl tile, flooring, painted na po ang walls and ceiling po natin, and malalaking windows to let the natural lighting and ventilation in. Yan. And this is your room 3 or the master's bedroom. So like our 2 previous models, the master's bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bath. Meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath para hindi na siya nakikipag-share sa room 2 and room 3 sa toilet. Yan po. So malaki again ang master's bedroom po natin. Maraming outlets, vinyl tiles, flooring, then painted na po ang walls and ceiling. And same as the other units, sa master's bedroom po natin ang access sa balcony. Yan. So that is Erin. So if you'd like to see this in person, kindly contact me po through the numbers that you will see in the description. So yun lang po. I hope to see you on site. This is Rush from Periveo.